Hey guys, welcome back to the Existential Vegan. In this vid I'm going to show you my secret to making very flavorful burritos. And there's also going to be a bonus tip. But what you're going to need is a good amount of garlic, some hot peppers. Now these peppers are from our garden. We have some habanero, I think you have a ghost pepper in there, and a jalapeno. Now if you don't like things hot, don't worry about the peppers. We're going to use a whole onion, and we're going to use a good amount of mushrooms. Okay guys, so here's the ingredients after I put them through my little Ninja food processor. On your left is the garlic and the peppers. It's important that you do these separately. In the middle is the onion, and as you can see, both of those are finely chopped. And on the right is the mushrooms, and they're more of a coarse chop. So let's go to the frying pan and I'll show you my secret. Okay guys, so the next thing you want to do is you want to throw in your garlic and your peppers into your frying pan. And I have avocado oil in the frying pan here. And avocado oil is actually better than olive oil. First of all, you have more omega-3s. It has a higher smoke point. And it's very flavorful. It has almost a buttery flavor to it. So, and this is the secret, my friends, is what we're doing is we're flavoring this oil with pepper and garlic, and it's going to infuse over into your mushrooms, and it's going to be delicious. Now, it might not be much of a secret, but, you know, there's a lot of guys out there, girls and guys, that don't know how to cook at all. You know, they don't know how to. So this is a little thing to help you guys out. And one more tip is coming up. But, yeah, we're going to flavor this oil. Now, you want to throw in your onions. Okay. And we're going to stir this around for, I don't know, 3-5 minutes, something like that. You'll be able to tell when you're doing it. And then we'll add the mushrooms. Okay guys, it's been a few minutes. So now we're going to add our mushrooms. And what's cool is when you do the garlic and the peppers first, and then you add the onions, it stops the garlic from burning. So this is probably going to take about 10 minutes of stirring around and frying. And as you can see, you probably guessed, the bonus tip is we're making extra. And we're going to be able to store this stuff, and you'll be able to have a burrito for a snack. Or you'll be able to take it to work and make all your friends jealous. And I'll show you how we can do that. So there you go guys. It's been 10 minutes. We've been frying the mushrooms along with the onion and garlic and pepper. And let me show you what we can do now. Okay guys, so what we're going to do now is we're going to scoop the filling into these containers. And I know from experience about three spoonfuls is about a single serving. And this way you're going to be able to, you'll have some ready, you know, whether it's for breakfast or a snack, or you can take it to work. And I'll show you what to do when you're in the lunchroom. And as you can see, we've made 4 servings of burritos. Okay guys, so you're at work. Pretend this is a paper plate or cutlery or plastic forks and spoons. Everyone else is eating their macaroni, and you pull out this. Your tortilla. You add your vegan cheese. You've nuked your mixture a little bit. Bam! Spread that around. You get your salsa. This happens to be homemade salsa with tomatoes and peppers from the garden. Remember, your mixture can be anything you want too. You can add sweet peppers. Okay, we're going to save this for dipping. And everyone's watching you while you do this. You get out your, pretend this is plastic, your plastic fork. You put this in the microwave to nuke it a little bit. And while everyone's eating their macaroni, you got this. Have a good day, guys. See you next week.